Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a Prime Video app. You click on settings. Here in this first page of settings you will click. Then in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Prime Video and you will click in this window. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store and they will update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.